My country is Pakistan, and Pakistan is a very versatile country with different areas situated. So it depends on the area where it's raining or not. In the up north, there is a lot of rain, but in the south, there's very few times in the year when it rains. My hometown is Lahore, and it's situated in the approximately in the middle of the country. It doesn't rain a lot in my hometown, but yes, in monsoon there is a lot of rain during these months. The most month when it rains is July and August, but in winter it's December and January when it rains. The other part of my country where it rains is, as I mentioned earlier, is north, where the altitude is a bit high and the weather is low. So it rains mostly in the north, but in the southern area where are deserts, and it oftenly rain like once or twice in the whole year. Huh.
Yeah, you can answer some more questions.
Okay. Okay. I like it rain or not. It depends on the weather. If it's summer, as in Pakistan and especially in Lahore, the summer is a bit longer than the winter. So during the summer, the days are very hot, and when it rains, everyone loves it. Especially the people in Pakistan and Lahore. When it rains a lot in Lahore during the monsoon, it's definitely affects the daily routine of the people, because on the roads there is a lot of water, and it limits the people working and their working schedule. I don't prefer a rainy day because I have to travel a lot in the city throughout the day, and when it's raining and there's water on the road, it's limit my movement through the city. So I don't really like the rainy days. What I really like to have on a rainy day is fried stuff like French fries or patties that really give you a really nice thing to do in rain. The rain is good for the environment or not. Yes, the rain is really provide good stuff to the ground, as the rain elevates the underground water level, and it helps to give you pure and clean water throughout the year. What rain affects in my country is that Pakistan is an agricultural country.
That's good.